बस ये येलो वाला चूज, येलो मार्कर पे जाना तो क्योंकि अथॉरिटी में हम बस हाँ जी
Assalamu alaikum students.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम मैम। That's better.
Walaikum assalam.
Now we want to hear it. Assalamualaikum ma'am. क्या हुआ?
Assalamu alaikum. Okay, ji. Welcome in class 4. It's a Beria College, Islamabad. It's a social studies class. Okay, ji. Next topic which we are going to read today is that is climate, weather, and season. Is a reference unit number 3, and we are going to. I'm going to teach you the part 2 of this lesson. In the previous lesson, in the previous class, I have told you about the climate. What is climate? Okay. The climate is average weather condition. Climate is an average weather condition of an area over a long period of time. There are various factors that affect the climate. Various factors that affect the climate that are polar, temperate, and tropical. Okay. Beta Hamza Ahmad, if you want to ask some question after the lecture, I will give you the time. You can ask the question then. Okay. 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 Okay, Ji. The first, today I'll give you the slide that is weather. The topic which I'm going to start, that is the weather. I will explain here. Weather is a condition of the atmosphere that refers to the change in day-to-day temperature of a region. Students, you should have the books along with you, and you should have the highlighters or pen, pencil, whatever you have, you should have pencil or highlighters in your head. Hamza Ahmad, listen carefully. Okay? Be serious. I can see you. Okay, Ji. The next slide is weather. Okay, Ji, you, in this slide, you can see the different weather condition. Sunday weather, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. On Sunday there is sunny day, and Monday cloudy. Tuesday more cloudy. Wednesday there is rain. Thursday there is a rain. Friday heavy shower, and on Saturday you can see the sun with the cloud. That there sometime there will be sun and there will be cloud. Okay, this is a day-to-day temp weather. Day-to-day weather, we can say today we are facing a lot of heat and humid. So today's weather is very hot. Okay, the next slide is weather and climate definition. What is the weather and climate definition? So whether the state of the atmosphere with respect of heat or cold, wetness or dryness, calm or storm, clearness or cloudness. This is the proper definition of weather. And what is a proper definition of climate? The average course or condition of a weather at a place, usually over a period of year, Okay, I will admit. As exerted by temperature, wind, velocity, and precipitation. Okay. So this is the definitions of weather and climate, and this is the basic difference between the weather and climate. You can see the basic difference between weather and climate because they are two different things. Weather and climate. Weather is day-to-day temperature, the state of atmosphere. The state of atmosphere with respect to heat or cold, wetness or dryness, calm or storm, clearness or cloudness. And the climate, what is climate? The average course or condition of the weather at a place, usually over a period of years, as exhibited by the temperature, velocity, and precipitation. Okay, Hamza Ahmed, I can see you. You are not showing attention to our studies. Muhammad Arsal, be serious. Okay, beta, be serious and listen what the teacher is saying and what the teacher is teaching you. If you will understand, this will be easy for you. Okay? Hamza Emma, don't raise the hand. After finishing my lecture, I will give you the time. You can ask the question then. Okay? Next, some weather factors. What are the some factors that affect the weather? So number one is wind. Okay, G, I admit all. Number one is wind. This tool measures wind speed. It is called anemometer, and wind is measured in a instrument, and that instrument is known as anemometer. But don't raise the hand. After completing my lecture, I will give you the time to ask a question. Precipitation. What is precipitation? Rain, snow, sleet, and hail are all forms of precipitation. Temperature. Temperature is how warm or cold is outside. Today, it's too hot. We are face sweating. We are face a lot of heat when we go outside from our home. So it means today is very hot day, and it is maybe it is the hottest day of this summer. So okay, 9 July is for example, I will say that 9 July is considered the hottest day of this season because of today is very hot. Cloud cover. There are many types of cloud that form in different conditions. So you can see the clouds when you go outside from your room. You can see on the sky that there is sun and clouds also. Okay. So it means that it's a very humid atmosphere today. So when it's a humid mean we feel sweating and strange season, very hot, we feel thirsty. So if we can say that it is the hottest day of this summer season. Okay, the next slide. Meteorology. You know, this is the new word you listen in this lesson, that is meteorology. What is meteorology? The study of weather is known as meteorology. Weather is a study. As scientists, meteorologists work on it, and they tell you the daily weather condition, and the person who tell us the daily weather condition, that is known as meteorologist. Ibrahim Iqbal, be serious beta. What are you doing? Listen what the teacher is saying. Okay. Study of what is meteorology? Underline on the book. If you open the book, page number 13. So what is meteorology? The study of weather is known as meteorology. Meteorologists give us a forecast of present and future weather. So they will tell us, meteorologists always tell us today's weather, and okay, the study of weather is known as meteorology. you will learn this definition. This question can come in the exams. Okay, after the studies, you can there will be exams, inshallah, and we will be in the school, inshallah. And if there will no condition to go in the school, so we will take the exams here. And so you have to learn the definition of meteorology. What is meteorology? The study of weather is known as meteorology. Okay. Next is temperature. In this picture, you can see the 3 colors of temperature. Okay. What is temperature? Temperature is recorded. Ibrahim, Iqbal, thank you very much. But listen what the teacher is saying. Okay. There is no need of clapping, beta. You have to listen and you have to understand what the teacher is saying. Okay. Temperature is recorded with the thermometer. It is measured in Celsius or Fahrenheit. Okay. Look at there is a picture. There's in the red color thermometer, it goes very high and it is the hottest day. And the temperature with the green color, you can see it is less than the red color. So there is less temperature today, and the thermometer which showing the blue color, it's mean that temperature is normal and people can enjoy this type of weather. So what is temperature? What is the temperature? Temperature is the recorded with temperature is recorded with the thermometer. To record the temperature, we use thermometer. So when we want to know what temperature is today, what is the today's temperature, we use the thermometer. When you get sick, okay, I will give you one more example. When you get sick, you got fever. So what your mother did, she used a thermometer, and after that thermometer, she comes to know how much temperature you are suffering. So for the weather, we also use thermometer to know how is today's temperature. Today, you know what is today's temperature? Today's temperature is 40 degree. Okay, it's so hot day. It's a 40 degree, and we all know that this is a monsoon season, and this is a very humid environment today, and we are facing 40 degree temperature. Okay, the next one is rain gauge. Okay, this is the very important point. What is rain gauge? Rain gauge is an instrument. You know what is rain gauge? Rain gauge is an instrument. Rainfall is normally measured with a rain gauge. You can see the picture of the rain gauge. It is an instrument. Okay, in this instrument, rain is measured. There's something collecting funnel. The scientists use funnel to collect the rain here. And measuring scale, there are some scales, the number 6.5, 7, 8.5, 2 something, and measuring tube 1/10 area of funnel. Okay, with the help of this instrument, the scientists, the people who do work with the meteorologists measure the rain. For example, yesterday in Karachi, there was severe rain. Okay, there was flood in Karachi street, and there was no electricity. The people were suffering problems, and then they on TV, the meteorologist told us how much rain the Karachi received yesterday. Okay. 30 millimeter, 50 millimeter in some areas, and 25 millimeter some areas. So they measured the rainfall in rain gauge, and then they tell the people this how much rain this area received. Okay, this is clear. Next, anemometer. What is a anemometer? Anemometer is a instrument which is used to measure the wind speed. Okay, what is an anemometer? You can see the picture of this anemometer. This is the picture. With the help of wind, it moves, and the movement, the fastest movement means there is a speed in the fastest speed of wind. Okay, what is the definition of the anemometer? Wind is measured by an anemometer. It is measured in miles and kilometers per hour. Okay, this is the thing you should keep in mind, that wind is measured in miles. Okay, in miles and in kilometer. Two ways we can measure the wind. The first one is miles, and second is kilometers. Okay, students, there is no need to raise a hand. After completing my lecture, I will give you the time. So when I will give you the time, you can ask any question. Okay. Wind is measured by an anemometer. This is instrument that is known as anemometer. It is used to measure the speed of wind. It is why it is used, and what is the purpose to use it. We use an anemometer to measure the speed of wind, okay, and the wind is measured with the help of anemometer, in which scale miles and kilometers per hour. It means in 1 hour, what is the speed of wind? Okay, in 1 hour, what was the speed of wind? Where there is storm, when there is very huge and terrible storms comes, so the meteorologists tell us the speed of wind is this and this, 30 kilometers per hour, 30 miles per hour, or 50 miles per hour. This is the speed of wind, which is measured by a anemometer. Second, now I have told you the instruments which are used for to measure the different things. So one is thermometer, which is used to measure the temperature. The second is rain gauge, which is used to measure the rainfall. And third is anemometer, which is used to measure the wind speed. And the next heading is seasons. Everyone knows there are 4 seasons in a year. We are the lucky people that we live in Pakistan and we enjoy the 4 seasons. Okay, the first one is winter, autumn, spring, and summer. And in this time, we are enjoying and we are facing the peak of summer. Peak of summer, there is one more thing I will add here, that in the July, August, September, the peak of summer, and this is also known as a monsoon period. What is monsoon period? Monsoon period is, in the monsoon period, we receive great rainfall, and it is a blessing for the people of Pakistan that in monsoon period we receive rainfall in a huge amount, and this rainfall is very beneficial for our crops. Okay, so we enjoy the 4 seasons. The first one is winter, then spring, then summer, and autumn. Okay, Ji? The season, the 4 period of weather during the year is known as season. Different region experiences different season at different times of year. Pakistan experiences its season in the following time, or I will tell you which time Pakistan follow the which season. Nowadays, we are facing summer season. Summer starts from April, end of the April, and goes till September, end of September, or start of October. Okay, there is a peak of summer. Nowadays, we are enjoying and we are facing the peak of summer. It means a very hot days and humid days, and this is also known as the monsoon period. Okay, Ji? Summer. You can see in this picture, this is the picture of summer season. It's a noon time, sun is shining so brightly, and you can see the yellow color sunlight everywhere. It means it's too hot. Okay, summer is the hottest season, which begins from April and lasts till June. June mean in the book it's written June. After that, there's a there is monsoon period starts. Summer is usually accompanied by the monsoon or rainfall period in July and August. And in this time, we are, this is the month of July. Today is 9 July. And so we are enjoying summer monsoon. But in Rawalpindi, Islamabad, we enjoy only 1 and 2 spell of the monsoon rainfall. In Karachi, many people enjoy a great rainfall. Okay, they enjoying the great monsoon period, but unfortunately their condition was not better. The roads and the electricity power stations dropped, fall, and the people face the problem. But monsoon is a blessing for the every type of people. Okay, the next, autumn. Autumn, you can see this in this picture. The leaves color turn into red or brownish, and leaves shed down on the ground. Okay, this is the main sign of autumn. Okay, you know what is autumn? The shedding of leaves begins in the autumn season from September till November. Okay, this is the season of autumn, which will start at the end of the September and it goes to in the beginning of the November. When their shedding of leaves starts, it means leaves fell down from the trees. The trees become dry and become leafless, And you can, when you go outside, when you go in the park and when you go in the garden, you can see the leaves dropping down on the ground, and every you can see every bare tree, and there is no, you can see trees without leaves. Muhammad, you are sleeping, beta, you are laying on the bed. Properly sit down and listen what the teacher is saying. Okay, so it is a very, very good season, and there is a moderate climate. It's not very hot, not very cold. People enjoy, very good. Now you sit down on the chair, and I can see, listen very carefully. Okay, the temperature of the autumn season is normal, and we enjoy the season. There is not, weather is not very hot, not very cold. Hamza, be serious, beta. Listen. After completing my lecture, I will give you 5 minutes and I will ask a question from it. Okay. In autumn season, shedding of leaves starts. Every tree becomes leafless. You can see only the stems and the branches of the tree, but you can't see the single leaf on the trees. But some trees uh, are the evergreen trees. They have the leaves in the autumn season also, but they are in some areas, not in every area. But in Rawalpindi, Islamabad, you can see the leafless trees everywhere in the autumn month. Okay, the next slide is spring. The beautiful picture, you can see the different colors flowers bloom in this picture, in this season. You can see green colors of the leaves, and you can see the different flowers, pink, red, blue, purple. Flowers bloom in this season, and it is a very beautiful season of the year. Okay, spring season is spring is a season in which flowers bloom and leaves grow back on the plants tree again. It starts in the March and lasts till April. Okay, Ji, in the spring season, leaves grow on the trees again. In the autumn season, leaves shut down, but when the spring starts, leaves start grow on the trees, and trees become green again. And you can see everywhere trees with leaves, green leaves, and the leaves become, trees and leaves become very happy. You can see the flowers everywhere, and it is a very, very beautiful season of the year. We will enjoy the season, and we will face normal temperature. There is not very hot, nor neither very hot and nor very cold. Okay, the spring is the beautiful season of the year. Everyone enjoys the spring season. In our flower beds, in our homes, there are flowers everywhere, in the flower pots, in the green beds, in the beds along our homes, full with the flowers in the spring season. Many, many fruits come from the in this season, and we enjoy a very beautiful season. Okay, this is known as the spring season. Okay, Ji. The last, winter. Okay, Ji. Today it's very hot, and all of we all of us are thinking about the winter. So come, we are we are thinking that winters are better than the summer because today is very hot, but not. This is not true. Winter is also good and summer is also good. So in this picture, you can see snow everywhere. Hamza Ahmed, any problem there? Okay, Ji, this is, in this picture, you can see snow everywhere. Everywhere you can see the snow, it means so cold. When there is snow, the period of snow, when temperature goes or temperature drops down -degree. Okay, then snow comes from the sky, from the clouds, and people enjoy the snow. In our area, in winter season, there is no snow, but in Murree, Murree is a hill station near Islamabad and Rawalpindi. We go to Murree to enjoy the snowfall. I know everyone has enjoyed the snowfall in Murree. So Murree is a great place. In winter, there is a lot of snow in winter, and many people from all over the country go to Murree to enjoy the snowfall. Snowfall, what is about other special things about the winter season? We wear warm clothes. We wear sweaters, jackets, blazers, mufflers. We wear warm socks, gloves everywhere to keep ourselves warm. and to protect ourselves from the cold. So winter is a period. It starts from the December and last till end of February. Okay, so it's a very shortest period. The winter season contain only 3 months. Okay, we only 3 months enjoy the winter season from December till February. At the end of February, the summer season ends, and in the March the spring starts. Okay, so winter is a blessing of Allah for us. Keep in mind, I have told you about the 4 seasons in Pakistan, that we are the luckiest people in the world that we live in Pakistan. God has gifted us. Pakistan is a blessed country that we enjoy the 4 seasons in the year. Many people who live other countries, they don't have this type of environment. If they are the people who live in the equatorial zone, they don't have any winter, spring, autumn. They only face summer throughout the year, and they only face heat throughout the year. So always thank to Allah that we are the blessed people, that we live in Pakistan and we enjoy the 4 seasons. Okay. Next, homework. Note down the homework now. Learn all the answers of the question of this unit. All the question answer you can get from the website, and I hope you all have written the notes of all notes of this chapter on your notebooks, and you have to learn all the answer of the question of the unit number 3. Okay, unit number 3, you will learn all the questions, all the answers of the question. Okay, this unit has how many questions? This unit has I'm sorry, 5. There are 4 questions and some short questions, 5 short questions. So you have to learn the question when there will be the revision week on the online classes. Better, then I will ask the answer of the question. So all of you have to learn the questions. Okay, Ji? Thank you very much. Now I'm going to stop sharing and I will ask you questions. Okay. Now unmute your mics and you can ask the questions. Some students want to ask the questions. G.
Ma'am, can you share the lecture in group?
Yes, I will share the slide. Yusra, yes, I can see you. Anara, I will share the slides in the respective group. Okay, you can understand the slides also.
Ma'am, we have to share all the we have to send all the questions.
You have to learn all the questions also. Okay, because we have finished the chapter. Okay.
Ma'am, can you share
Beta, your homework is you have to learn the question answer. Okay, one by one you will ask the question. Otherwise, I will gonna mute you.
Ma'am, which questions?
Question, exercise question. You can get all the question answer from the website. All the questions are given on the website of the college. Okay. Okay.
Look again.
Okay, students, listen. One thing I want to tell here, that all the question answer we have already uploaded on the website of the college. So I hope all of you have done the question answer on the notebooks. If you can do it, you can write it again now. Okay, and you have to learn all the question answer. Understand? What you will do? You will learn all the question answer of the unit number 3, climate, weather, and seasons. I am repeating this again. All the question answer are already uploaded on the website of the college, and all of you, I hope all of you and most of you have done the question answer on the notebooks. If you didn't do it now, open the website, note down the question answer, and learn all the question answer. Okay. Now, if you want to ask the question, one by one, you can ask the question. G. Yes.
Ma'am.
G.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta. Muhammad, you want to ask some question?
Can you upload the lecture on the WhatsApp?
Yes, I will upload. Okay, don't worry.
And which WhatsApp group? I don't have any WhatsApp group.
Beta, ask from your teacher that we will add group number. The students who are attending my lecture, they belong to class for group 2. Okay, time is nearly over. Okay. Himal Ahmed, any question?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Fatma, you want to ask question? Okay, beta, time is nearly over. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for attending the question. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.